Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to remove unwanted object from a video with Inshot application. Alright guys, let's get into it. Here I have created a project in my Inshot application, and for example, I'm going to remove this object. I guess this is a cup of coffee. So first of all guys, we have to click on the PIP option and we have to import the same video. And this is the video that I have just imported before. I'm going to click on it, and now the video has been imported to my Inshot project, and I'm going to click on this icon to fit the screen. Okay, and after that we're going to put mask to the video. We just need to scroll all the way to the right until we find the mask option, and I'm gonna go with the circle mask, and here we can resize the mask like this, and we have to take another part of the video to cover the unwanted object. And I'm just going to wait. Oops, it's too small. Okay, I'm going to take this part, for example. You can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks, and after that you can click on the check mark and we can drag the mask to cover the unwanted object like this. Okay, and I think it's done. Then we can click on the check mark, and this is the result. Alright guys, and that's how we can remove unwanted object from our video with Inshot application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.